Hi, my name is Emmanuel Odhiambo. I joined WirfonCloud because I was looking for a platform which was offering both practical and hands-on learning which would help me transition into the cloud and DevOps space. The labs, the content, together with the mentorship really helped me break down the complex concepts and turn them into practical skills. The quizzes, together with the consistent support, also gave me the confidence to not only sit for my examinations but also pass them. Currently, I have 3 certifications. That's the Linux Essentials, the AWS Cloud Practitioner, and the AWS Solutions Architect. What stood out most for me at WirfonCloud is the community, where I was able to learn from both my mentors and also my course mates. I would totally recommend WirfonCloud to anybody who is looking to break into the tech space or even further their cloud career. Thank you WirfonCloud for building such a wonderful platform.